Guess what we're putting on the car? Ooh. What are these? What's up, Lab Squad? Welcome back to the channel. We are right now on our way to get our front splitter put on. Now, since there's none for these cars, we're gonna get it custom made, as well as the rear bumper corners. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me, see the process. I'm gonna try to not get in his way too much, but come along. Alright, so we are almost here. The light is taking way too long and there is way too much traffic. One thing I didn't tell you guys was this radar. You guys can see it says the voltage right here, and it has like some pulse thing. So when my car died, the radar said low battery both times, and once it said that, I'm like, oh crap, I think I'm done. Since it reads, you know, the voltage that the car gets, the battery and all that, for it to say that, it has to really struggle. And that actually made me ready and go to the side in case my car stopped, which it did. So both times it told me that. So that's a neat feature actually to have. So kudos to you, Uniden. And if you guys want the radar, I do have a link to it in the description. All right, we have made it, guys. We're just waiting on the Camry to get out so we can put our car in. I think they put some rear bumper splitters. So guess what we're putting on the car? Ooh, what are these? So these are our supporting rods. We are going to be putting them on the car as well. These are close and blue enough to the wheels, so this should be looking good. Once the splitter's on, with this on, we're gonna look different. So what you guys think? You think it'll look good? Comment down below if you think it'll look good with the car. It looks pretty good. He got the supporting rods too. It's pretty dope, not bad. All right, so guys, we out here right now. We got the car inside. We are gonna be putting the front splitter and the rear side, the rear bumper sides. The first thing I think we'll be doing is already matching it to the side splitter, and it comes out like a little bit so it can be, you know, flush with the wheel. On the side, it's gonna come all around. Hopefully it comes down to here, so when I get my rear diffuser on that I told you guys, everything just sits perfect. So that's what she's looking like right now. You know, we're gonna take off the front bumper. He needs to measure and do his magic so it can come out looking spot on. And like I told you, I got the rods, so we're gonna put in the front. Maybe we're gonna get some fins, right? That's what you call it, the little fins. The winglets. The winglets. We're gonna get in maybe the front, probably in the rear as well. So I'm gonna take you guys through the journey. All right, so I think we got something. Oh, so he has music, so I might put some like another music or some letters or whatever, like explaining, because I'll get copyrighted. But he already got the outline. You know, we're gonna go a little bit aggressive, not too much. Look at her. Trust me, guys. Trust the process. We will make her look beautiful. But yeah, guys, trust the process. So this is where we're gonna start. It's gonna look perfect. Perfect. And that's what she's looking like now. Probably got a thumbnail. So this is Splitter by Peppin. I gotta ask him his real name, like his name, like how you pronounce it, because I forgot. But this is going to look so dope. So I gotta come out because the music is in there. I don't want to be copyrighted. But you guys let me know if you're interested. We can probably get you something similar or one of these. You know, just let me know if you're interested and we can work something. I can probably get you one of these, or, you know, do a giveaway of one of these splitters, depending on if you guys like it. So comment down below what you guys think or how you guys think it will look. Just let me know. I think my hat is crooked. Yeah. So before anything, I'm gonna tell you guys, since he has music in there, I don't want to be copyrighted. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'll probably do the little writing on the bottom of the screen so you guys can read it, and put some other music because I don't want to be copyrighted with that. So that's probably what's gonna happen. guys come here, drop something on that wall. You can't fill it up.
All over,
Okay.
ya, so yo lo cojo con tornillos en las esquinas para que no se mueva.
It's gonna be aggressive. That's what we're working with for now. This piece broke. That's what holds onto the bumper. Right here. So it won't sit flush for now, but that's what we're working with. So I didn't show you guys how he made it, but that's gonna be our rear piece. It's gonna go with this. The width of the tire. It's gonna look flush. It's gonna sit flush. And it's nighttime too, so I told you guys I was gonna get the whole Aero. We're just missing the rear diffuser. But it's not the last thing. I got something else for the rear. Other than that and the rear diffuser, I got something else that's gonna complete the car that no one else would even think I was gonna get. And if you're thinking you know what it is, it's not. It's something else. But look at this. Bro, tell me, where else can you get something like that? Other than with this guy.
Here, right here. It's Splitters by Pepin.
Splitters by Pepin, you already heard it. This is where you guys are gonna get it. There's nowhere else. No one else gonna make you something like this. Like, look at the detail. Like, it just flows so well with the bumper. I'm telling you, you guys, comment down below and let me know if you want something like this. We can probably work something out. So I'll let him know. You guys let me know, I'll let him know, or I'm gonna put his Instagram anyway and hit him up. And that's it, guys. So we are actually finished. He finished it up. Tell me it doesn't flow well with the wheels. The blue, with the blue, it just gives it that nice look. So we got that lifting up, so it flows good with the lip as well. You guys can tell. With the dark, this black, that blue, it's just great. Car is dirty, yeah, I know. I gotta wash it and everything, you know, with the black roof and all. But look at this. The width of it with the tires just perfect, spot on. And if you look at it from the back, right here. Oh boy, sheesh. It is beautiful. So he just gave you some light. You guys can see right there. Look at the way it flows. I'm telling you, like the way it comes in, indents here, it comes out. Just wait until I get that rear diffuser.
Yep.
So both sides. I'm telling you, you come here, he's gonna treat you right. You're gonna get something, whatever car you got. Cause I know all you guys got different cars that watch me, know that.
That's splitters for everything.
Yep, splitters, diffuser, everything. He'll make it custom made. It's already nighttime, so I gotta wait until the morning to show you guys all the details to perfection and see what we're working with. But for now, no, we're cleaning this whole mess so we can take a couple pictures of the car. But I'm telling you, go see this guy right here. Remember his face, because you will see him again. Remember, we got the Lancer, and I got something else coming for the car, so you're gonna see him again. Another thing I'm gonna tell you, upholstery. You guys see, I know you guys see those seats over there. You see that guy over there? Nah, for real, he got like all the machines here. Like he'll make everything worth it. So yeah, guys, it is morning right now. Well, not morning, but it's in the afternoon. It's like 1 p.m. But how's she looking? Here you guys go. How is she looking? See, I told you I had something in store. All right, so guys, it might be a little bit windy. The car's a bit dirty, so hopefully that does not affect too much. But like I was telling you guys, look at the rear corners. Now, I went with the custom setup because I've seen the ones on eBay. I've seen what every other Maxima has, and I don't like them. They're pretty much like, let's say, half of the size of this one. So like from here to here or something like that. So I didn't like it. I thought about doing it once, but I didn't like it, you know. So both sides are the same. Literally, you can see here the front, my side, and the rear. I think it just completes the car. Now I just gotta get my rear diffuser. It's on its way. And like I always say, guys, subscribe and follow. But yeah, let me know in the comment, guys, what you think of the car. So we might be taking this off and going with the same type of material. It has been good so far. Now this piece is like kind of falling off, so, but yeah, I don't know, it's screwed on, so that's why it's still on. If you don't want to go too aggressive, it like goes in a little more and it's closer to the lip. But I told them, let's send it, go not too aggressive, but go decently aggressive, whatever. So that's what he came up with. You know, he did this. This is pretty cool. I like it. So it's gloss black right here. You can see my reflection. And then it's another texture on the inside. So don't worry, I still gotta get this painted, although I'll probably be getting a new bumper anyway. But yeah, this is a good touch right here. Oh man, that love bug. No. Oh well, at least it died together. But this is a good touch, you know, with the blue wheels. Now I do scrape a lot more than I used to, and you can see my whole foot don't fit in there. But let me know what you guys think of it. It looks pretty good. Originally, I wanted to do like I believe Stillen has one. The Stillen one doesn't come out too far. It's probably like half of the size of this one, but it does flow with the lip better. But that's like about $300, and just for that, I didn't want it. Now I wanted to do something different. I seen a couple other Maximas with the Stillen one, so I wanted him originally to like flow with this, but I actually like this way better. It does give downforce. The other day I did race this one car. I forgot what it was. I was doing about maybe like a buck 10. Yeah, like a buck 10, buck 20. And this thing creates downforce that it pulled my bumper. As you guys know, I gotta fix this. But you know, it's there. I've raced the car. I've gone past 120 and this has stayed on. But with this, it like didn't rip it off, but it pulled it off. So it does create downforce, but I didn't get it to race for downforce or whatever. It's just for some good looks. Something different, you know, you pull up to a meet, everybody has the same thing or just the lip. So I just wanted to add something extra. You know, it's gonna go good with whatever grill I get, which I still haven't decided which one. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys like it. You know, I love it. It's beautiful. Something different. Comment down below what you guys think of the car. Would you guys do this? You guys want it? What should we do? Now, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.